Today is the milestone that marks the culmination of all hard work that our students have poured out for almost a year. This is the day that we, the faculty and staff, your parents, relatives, and friends gather with you to celebrate your academic achievement and success.
And with that, ladies and gentlemen, to give her opening remarks, let us give a round of applause to Sheena Angelica P. Manonso from Grade 9 St. Padre Pio.
To our respected school directress, Ma'am Cesaria Malabanan, our school administrator, Sir Christopher Luna, our principal, Ma'am Connie Villafranca, dedicated teachers, proud parents, distinguished guests, and my fellow students, a delightful morning to you all. Together, we gather not just to recognize our achievement, but to honor the hard work, perseverance, and faith that brought us here. Each medal and certificate is a symbol of countless hours of study, the guidance of our mentors and our families. This recognition is a reminder that success is not just about reaching the top, but about lifting others up along the way. Let us continue to inspire one another to dream bigger and to strive for excellence with humility and gratitude. As we look around, we see not just achievers, but future leaders, artists, innovators, and servants of the community. Each of us carries a unique gift that can make a huge difference. And together, we can build a brighter tomorrow for our school and for society. May this day encourage us to move forward with courage, determination, and trust in God's plan for each of us. Together, let us shine not just for ourselves, but for the future of our school and the community. Let us remember that every step we take today is a foundation for the dreams we will fulfill tomorrow. And may we always carry with us the values of faith, gratitude, and service, wherever life may lead us. Finally, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the awardees and honorees of this recognition day. May your success continue to inspire us, and may this celebration be the beginning of even greater achievement ahead. Once again, a delightful morning to you all. Thank you, and to God be the glory.
Thank you for the welcoming opening